Roxy. Oh my God, Roxy. Oh. I don't know if Roxy will remember Cheryl. This is a concern of mine because Roxy comes at you pretty hard. There was no guarantee how this reunion was going to turn out.
Oh my God.
I was very nervous that Roxy wouldn't recognize me, but I had this feeling in the back of my mind, she has to remember me. Like, everything we've been through, how can she not remember me? Mama! Roxy! Roxy! Mama! Mama! Hi, Mama! Hi, baby girl! Hi, Mama! Hi, Mama! Baby girl! What is it?
Oh my God.
What is it?
Dude, I haven't seen her act like this at all. It's so awesome. I have not seen her act like this once since we've had her.
That is so amazing. That is amazing. I love it.
We have this connection that I can't explain. People think I'm crazy because I love Roxy so much. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just, we have this bond. It's like nothing else. Like, she's like my kid. Baby girl.
You dumping me now? You dumping me now?
Yeah, that's it,
You
Roxy.
remember me now?
Wow. I totally remembered you.
Yeah. Totally different dog.
Baby girl.
And I've never, ever seen Roxy act like that. It was overwhelming for me to see. And this is the first time I think I've ever seen her sit still.
Roxy,
You know,
she knows some
it was
tricks.
like
Roxy,
that.
watch. You want to show your tricks? Sit. Shake.
Oh,
Wait. Roxy, shake.
No.
Okay, other paw. Other paw. Good girl. Good girl.
Different dog. Totally different
Oh my
dog.
God. Oh my
Down.
God.
Good jump. Good girl. Yay.
Yeah,
Good girl, Mama.
Roxy.
Roxy surprisingly remembered all the tricks I trained her. It's funny. I'm shocked. I didn't think Roxy's gonna remember any of them.
Oh my God. Like, oh my God. Goosebumps
Girl.
everywhere.
Wow.
Oh my God.
You're holding out, huh, Roxy? Oh, that's how you get down, huh?
I'm so happy now that she's back. Like, I think I've cried all my tears, like, waiting all day